Okay, so you've seen the other videos. Now, why should you talk to a professional? Why should you see an elder law attorney? Well, I'll tell you why. When I need to have my car worked on, I'm not a mechanic. I go to a mechanic and I say, what's wrong with my car? How do I fix it? When I have a problem or I have a need, I go to the person who knows how to solve that problem or fulfill that need. If you have a long-term care crisis or Medicaid crisis situation for long-term care and spin down situation, then you have a need that an elder law attorney could potentially solve. So that's where you're at. And you need to know what you don't know, you don't know. You don't know, you don't know, right? I mean, you need to find out those answers. And that's why you're here. So I would think it would behoove you, I love that word, behoove you, to see an elder law attorney, to seek counsel, at least to talk about the situation. You never know what you might learn, or if that person may have a solution for you to solve your problem. I've had people cry in my office because they didn't know. We were doing planning for them, and they didn't know that they could have saved mom or dad's house or the farm if they would have had somebody like me, an elder law attorney like me, in their life at that time. If they would have come and seen me at that time. And I'm saving their house right now. But they could have saved something, a piece of land that had been in the family for a long time, or mom or dad's house that was worth a lot of value that could have helped, with the family. It would have been more resources. It could have sent a grandchild to college. But they didn't know. And they're angry and sad because they didn't know. And they just did what they thought they were supposed to do from what they knew at the time. I have had in the veterans pension world a spouse who had been taking care of her husband at home for 20 plus years, and could have had the veterans aid and attendance pension benefit the entire time. Now she became our client, and we qualified her for that veterans aid and attendance pension benefit. But the sad part was she left $200 plus thousand on the table that she could have had over that 20 years. That could have really helped that family. That could have helped her maybe hire some other care to come in house and help care for her husband. So, know your options. Knowledge is power. Be powerful. Go see an elder law attorney. In my opinion, if you have a Medicaid or long-term care crisis situation, that is exactly what you should do. Okay? Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love talking about what I'm passionate about and what I do. Again, I'm Greg McIntyre with McIntyre Elder Law. Now, I know that we have a free assessment offer for you if you're in the situation where you need long-term care counseling and crisis counseling, Medicaid crisis planning. Then we'd be glad to provide that free assessment for you. And we have a few questions for you to answer. So click through and answer those questions for me, and we'll provide that free assessment for you. And have a great day.